if you want to set a custom charging sound on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just download a charging sound on your iPhone. As you can see, I have already downloaded a charging sound, just like that. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you cannot find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, you can download it directly from the App Store. After you open the Shortcuts app, then at the bottom of the screen, just tap on Automation. Select New Automation. Then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Charger and make sure you select Is Connected. After you do that, then tap on Run Immediately and make sure that Notify When Run is disabled. After you do that, then tap on Next and tap on Create New Shortcut. Now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Base 64 Encode. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen. Now from here, just go to the location where you have saved the charging sound. Now since we have downloaded the charging sound from the Safari web browser, I will go there. And from here, just select the charging sound and tap on Share. Now after you tap on the Share button, just select Copy. Now after you do that, then just go back to the Shortcuts app and tap on Input. Now just select Clipboard. Now after you've done that, now in the search bar, just search this. Select Copy to Clipboard. Now after you do that, then tap on the Play button. Now as you can see, this text will appear on the screen. Now just select the text. After you select the whole text, then select Copy. After you copy the whole text, then in the search bar, just search this. Select Text. Now in this section, just paste the copied text. Now after you do that, then tap on Done and tap on the shortcut which we have created. Under Do, just go to this section. Now at the bottom, just tap on the search bar one more time. But this time, just search this. Tap on Base 64 Encode. Now after you do that, then tap on Encode. And instead of Encode, just select Decode. After you select Decode, then finally in the search bar, just search this. Select Play Sound. Now if you tap on the play button over here, it will play the charging sound which we have downloaded. Now just tap on Done. Now if we go to the home screen and if we plug our iPhone into charge, as you can see, we have successfully set a custom charging sound for our iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can set a custom charging sound on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.